In this video, you will learn how to do live plotting in loops in QCoDeS. In order to do so, we have a look at what we already did in the last tutorial. So we had this loop defined, then we started to acquire the data from the loop, we made a plot, and then we added the data. In the previous one, we then ran the loop and later on updated our data. But now it would of course be very helpful if we could update within the loop. Of course, this is not just simply possible because these functions are closed and you can't just enter into it. But the QCoDeS people came up with a nice solution for that because they already programmed the function which makes a plotting routine in the background. And this is very simply added by using the function loop.with, and then I just use the autocomplete with. Okay, maybe I don't use the autocomplete. Sometimes it doesn't like me. And then I just tell it that I want to plot, update, and then I say run. And in order to show in my code that the output of this is nothing that is supposed to be used later on, I put an underscore equals to, and then after doing this, it should, theoretically at least, run and in the background produce a plot for us. In order to find out whether this is really true, I will just quickly run that. And now we have a look at this plot and we can see that we have a live update of our data while this measurement is running. Of course, this is not really spectacular in this case because we are just measuring a straight line. But of course, in the experiment, this may be more interesting because you get a live update on how your actual measurement is looking while you are measuring it. I hope that this video was helpful for you and that you could get something from that for your experiments. And in the next video, I will show you how to save that data into a database so that you will never lose it again.